So this is Reba the Road King. I'm EJ from the Back Porch Antiques, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about my Harley. Normally we talk about things in our antique store, the Back Porch Antiques in Greenville, Tennessee, but I've also noticed that a lot of the same people who love antiques love motorcycles and old cars. You'll see some old car videos, but today I want to highlight my Harley. I bought this one a few weeks ago at Asheville Harley Davidson. Shout out to Stokes, he's my fit specialist. Go see him at Asheville Harley Davidson, he'll help you out. Matter of fact, I had a little bit of a battery issue after I brought this thing home. I took it back, they took care of it, no questions asked, no charge, nothing. Really happy with the way that Asheville Harley Davidson treated me in the purchase of this 2020 Harley Davidson Road King. And I've had a few other Harleys, matter of fact, 2 other Road Kings and 2 full dresser motorcycles, Ultra Classics. Ultra Limited was one of them, but this is actually the first Milwaukee 8 powered motorcycle I've owned, and really impressed. But today I want to do a little bit of a slip-on muffler review. When I got this motorcycle, it had stock slip-on stock mufflers on it. It's just too quiet, and just it chokes the motorcycle down. You have to do that for EPA standards or whatever, but my friends over at J&B Motorcycles, J&B Performance, Brandon Johnson, so shout out to them. They had some used tab performance mufflers, and I was like, well, this will do till I get exactly what I want. I put these on there and was very much impressed. I think you'll be impressed too. The sound is good, a deep throaty sound. These are the tab performance 4.5 inch BAM slip-on mufflers, and very much impressed, and I could feel it in the seat. Maybe it's in between my ears, but I think I could feel the difference in the power of the motorcycle. It opened it up a little bit. Definitely sounds a lot better. So we're going to do a little bit of a muffler review. I'm going to pull it outside, let you hear it fire up, then I'll let you hear the drive-by and how it sounds. Follow us by chance if you get the chance. I'm going to be doing some more upgrades on Reba here, and I'll share those with you. Obviously, being a Harley Davidson, cost is an issue, so it may not be often, but if you'll follow our channel, I'll share those with you when I get the chance, maybe some seat upgrades. By the way, the only other thing that's been done to this motorcycle, it's already had the chrome front end, chrome forks and sliders and stuff put on it, and it has custom dynamics taillight, which really impressed with that custom dynamics taillight setup. So anyway, stand by and we'll fire this baby up for you.